Hello students, today we'll do miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6 question number 18. Show that the height of the cylinder of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a right circular cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha is 1/3 that of the cone and the greatest volume of the cylinder is 4/27 pi h cube tan square alpha. Given height of the cone. Height of the cone is given as h. Semi-vertical angle is, the semi-vertical angle of the cone is also given alpha. So this is a semi-vertical angle. This is given as alpha. Height of the cone is given as h. So these two are given. So whenever something is given, take it as a constant. So height of the cone and the semi-vertical angle both are equal to constants. You have to prove that the height of the cylinder is equal to 1/3 of the height of the cone. Height of the cone is h. So this is what we are going to prove. Then some condition is given. What is the condition given? The volume should be maximum. The volume of the cylinder should be maximum. So all these type of sum, there will be 3 steps. First is given. Given is a constant. Then to prove height of the cylinder is 1/3 times h. Condition, volume is the cylinder should be maximum. Whether it is maximum or minimum, we have to differentiate the function. So that means here the function is volume, the volume of the cylinder. So we have to differentiate that and then equate to 0. Then find the critical points. Then second, we have to find the second derivative, and if it is maximum, we have to prove that at those critical points the second derivative is less than 0. So let us first find the volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. In this diagram, let C be the center of the circle, this circle. Let C be the center of the circle. Draw AC perpendicular to the base. So AC is the height. Now if C is the center, let B be the center of this circle. Okay, C is the center, B is the center of this circle. So BC will be the height of the cylinder. BC is the height of the cylinder. From B, you draw a perpendicular line. So this BD will be the radius. BD, if C, this is the radius of the cylinder. If you take it as R, from the center to this circumference, this will be the radius. So BD is also equal to R. So what is the height? BC is the height. What is BC equal to? AC minus AB. So the height of the cylinder, BC, is AC minus AB. We know AC. AC is the height of the cone. So AC we know. We don't know AB. So we can take this triangle ABD. ABD. We can find tan alpha. So that will give you the height. Because we know this radius. This is R. So in the triangle ABD, tan alpha is BD by AB. Opposite side by adjacent side. So BD is R, right? BD is equal to R. That is R by tan alpha. So the length of AB is R by tan alpha. So AB is equal to R. 1 by tan alpha is R cot alpha. So AB, the length AB is R cot alpha. So what is the height BC now? AC minus AB. AC minus AB. What is AC? H. Minus what is AB? We have found AB as R cot alpha. So the height of the cylinder is H minus R cot alpha. So volume is pi r square H minus pi r cube cot alpha. That is, now we have to differentiate the function. So we got the volume. There is only one variable here, that is R. R is the variable because H and alpha are constants because it's given. H is given, alpha is already given. So these two are constants. So we have to differentiate this volume with respect to R. So differentiate this. Pi, H are constants. R square differentiation is 2R. Pi cot alpha is a constant. R cube is 3R square. So now we have to equate this to 0. dV by dr is equal to 0. We have to equate this to 0 to find the critical points. So to find the critical points, we have to equate this to 0. So when you equate this to 0, you get pi h2r is equal to pi cot alpha 3r square. Pi cancel, r also get cancelled. So 2h is equal to 3r cot alpha. So r is equal to, we have to find r is 2h by 3 cot alpha. Now what is the height of the cylinder? BC, right? The height of the cylinder is BC. Because the question is, we have to prove that height of the cylinder is 1/3 times height of the cone. So BC is AC minus AB. So that means BC is AC minus AB. AC is the height of the cone minus AB is, we already written AB as R cot alpha. So H minus R cot alpha. Substitute for R. So what is R equal to? 2H by 3 cot alpha. So cot alpha and cot alpha cancelled. So we get 3H minus 2H, that is equal to H by 3. So we have proved that the height of the cylinder is H by 3. So that is 1/3 height of the cone. But we have to prove that this radius gives maximum volume. To prove it is maximum, we have to differentiate this function again. dV by dr, we have to differentiate again. So when you differentiate again, you get 2 pi h, r, differentiation of r is 1. Then 3r square, when you differentiate, it becomes 6r. So second differentiation is 2 pi h minus pi cot alpha. 3r square is 6r. Pi cot alpha into 6r. Substitute for r. So 2 pi h minus 6 pi cot alpha. What is r equal to? We have found r as 2h by 3 cot alpha. So 6 pi cot alpha. R is 2h by 3 cot alpha. Cot alpha and cot alpha cancelled. So 3 and this get cancelled. So 2 pi h minus 4 pi h is less than 0 because h cannot be negative. So 2 pi h minus 2 pi h is less than 0. H is positive because h is height. So minus 2 pi into h is less than 0. So that means d square v by dr square is less than 0 when r is 2h by 3 cot alpha. So the volume is maximum. Now the question is, find the volume also. So what is the volume of the cylinder? This is the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h minus pi r cube cot alpha. Pi r square h minus pi r cube cot alpha. So substitute r. We already found r as 2h by 3 cot alpha. R is 2h by 3 cot alpha. So r square will be 4h square by 9 cot square alpha into h minus pi cot alpha r cube. R cube is 8h cube by 27 cot cube alpha. You can just cancel one cot alpha here. So what is the common terms? Take it out. The common terms are pi, 4 is common, take it out. H cube is common, take it out. 9 cot square alpha. So we have taken all these out. Pi 4 pi h cube by 9 cot square alpha. So this will become 1 minus pi is taken out. 8, 4 is taken out. So you have 2. H cube is out. 9, 3 is also 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3. So 4 pi h cube, 9 into 3, 27. 1 by cot square alpha will become tan square alpha. So we have proved that the volume is 4 by 27 pi h cube tan square alpha. 4 by 27 pi h cube tan square alpha cubic units. Thank you.